Safety.
7. Animals.
One sunny morning, Bianca and Paggio visit Aunt Janet's farm, where they delight in seeing pets, farm animals, and domestic animals.
Yay! We are finally here. We have reached Aunt Janet's farm.
Welcome, Bianca and Paggio. It's so good to finally have you both here with me.
Yes, Auntie, I'm so happy to finally be on your farm.
That's nice, Bianca. Come with me. Let's look around the farm, and why don't you tell me which animal is your favorite?
Sure, Auntie. Chicks are my favorite friends.
It's good to know that you love animals, Bianca. Animals are living beings that breathe, move, eat.
Hello?
And respond to the world through their senses.
Auntie, I'm glad to see so many animals here.
Well, dear, you can see both pet and farm animals.
Types of animals: pet animals, farm animals.
Do you know what pet animals are?
No, Auntie.
Pet animals are animals that are raised with us in our homes, like Bruno, my dog. Why don't you tell me a few that you know?
Cat, fish, lovebirds, dog.
That's very good, kiddos. Now you know what pet animals are.
Auntie, what are farm animals?
Farm animals are animals that are reared on farms. They provide us with milk, meat,
Eggs.
Come on, let me take you on a walk and let's look at the farm animals here.
Auntie, look. There's a bull.
Good, Paggio. A bull is a farm animal.
Look at the sheep.
The sheep are also farm animals. Now, Bianca, why don't you tell me a few farm animals that you see around?
Auntie, I can see. Hen, pigs, goats, horses, cows.
Very good, Bianca. You did great. So now you know what pet and farm animals are.
Wow, Aunt Janet, you have so many lovely animals to care for. I wonder where they stay.
Look, this is a kennel. A kennel is where dogs live.
Look at the cats there.
Yes, baby, my cats live in a cattery. Let's walk a little more. Bianca, do you see the cows over there?
Yes, Auntie. They are saying moo.
Yes, baby, they are. The cows, goats, and horses live in a place called the stable.
Look at the pigs playing in the mud.
Yes, baby, the pigs live in a pigsty.
Auntie, look, my favorite chicks are here.
Yes, Bianca, do you know where the chicks live?
No, Auntie.
They live in a coop.
Pet animals and farm animals together are called domestic animals.
What are the uses of domestic animals, Auntie?
Yes, baby, we get milk from cows and goats. Paggio, why don't you tell me what your favorite lunch is?
I love to eat eggs.
Yes, we get eggs from hens and ducks. We get wool from sheep. Can you tell me how donkeys help us?
I have seen donkeys help us to carry heavy loads in the mountains.
Yes, and horses and camels also help us travel from one place to another. Kiddos, do you remember the bullocks that we saw?
Yes, Auntie.
Farmers use animals like bullocks to plow the fields, and dogs care for us by guarding our house.